Hello, I'm Henner from the Lund University Center for Sustainability Studies. Since our last video, I didn't only get a haircut, but I also got an article published. So this article investigates the potential impact of transnational municipal climate networks on local climate governance. You probably are now thinking, trans what networks? Well, the networks that I'm looking at have four characteristics. First of all, membership in these networks is voluntary. Secondly, these networks are transnational, which means that they operate in more than one country. Thirdly, members in these networks mostly are municipalities, so the local level of climate governance. And the fourth point is that these networks have all explicitly been set up in response to climate change. So once again, the paper looks at the potential impact of transnational municipal climate networks on local climate governance. There's already quite a body of scientific literature out on this specific topic. But this literature mostly remains on the theoretical level. So the contribution of my article is that it first of all summarizes this literature that's out there. Secondly, I present in this article a conceptual framework that can be applied if one tries to assess the impact of these networks on local climate governance. And thirdly, I present some numbers on the proliferation of these networks in Germany, where several hundred municipalities have joined at least one of these networks. As a bonus, I also provide an overview of the networks and their strengths and weaknesses. You might now ask, well, why would we care? Why should we care about this? For the case of Germany, I found that more than 44 million people live in municipalities that have joined at least one of these networks. That's more than half of the population of Europe's biggest country and biggest economy. I also found that these networks influence local climate change governance in very different ways. If you want to learn more about that, I would recommend that you check out the article. I'm sorry, the article is not open access, but if you can't have access to the article through your local university, just drop me a mail and I'll make sure you get the article. So, thanks for watching, take care, and don't forget to check out the article. Thanks.